Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying prerequisites. You must know which endpoints are public and which services are most critical. Once you have an inventory, enable provider-level protections like rate limiting and basic firewall filters so traffic spikes are mitigated early. Meanwhile, provision scalable capacity. Add CDN in front, configure auto-scaling groups, and set redundant upstreams. Make sure to document thresholds and contact details now. These first actions stop simple floods and buy time for deeper defenses. Once the perimeter is established, harden your stack with a web application firewall and behavior-based detection to drop malicious patterns. You should enable SYN cookies and tune TCP timeouts and connection tracking to preserve capacity against protocol abuses. At the same time, integrate a scrubbing service or upstream mitigation to filter volumetric attacks. Make sure to stream logs, netflow, and metrics into your SIEM and set concrete alert thresholds so you see anomalies early and can react decisively. You finish by validating everything, perform controlled simulations, exercise failover and rollback steps, and confirm your incident playbook with named roles and communication templates. Once done, schedule periodic drills and update thresholds based on lessons learned. If an attack overwhelms you, trigger the scrubbing provider, scale downstream capacity quickly, and consider DNS or Anycast traffic steering to absorb load. If mitigation fails, escalate per the playbook. Make sure to preserve logs for post-incident analysis so you understand root cause.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.